Hey guys.
Hi guys, so we're gonna make slime and ingredients to make slime. And the fun.
Okay.
Bala.
Okay, so today we're gonna be making slime.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to pour one in, and I pour one. So this is like a two ingredient slime tied in glue. That's all you need for this slime, unless you want to make like fluffy slime or fluffy slime with beads and all that stuff. So you open that up and you just pour the glue in here, Gemma. I wish I was musically. I'm surprised I'm not musicallying this right now. So we're just gonna pour that in. Okay, so we got out all the glue we could, and it's like, yeah, normal.
No, backwards.
I'm not gonna use the fork part. And then now we're just gonna pour. I lost the cap to this. We're just gonna pour some of this in here. It might turn out blue.
Gonna blue.
So we poured some in. I'm just gonna start mixing it.
Yes.
You wanna mix it, Emma?
Yes.
You wanna mix it? Don't make sure it doesn't spill. Just mix it.
Away.
Keep mixing it while I put some in. I'll do an extra mix at the end. So that. Okay, can I help?
No.
No. She says no and then she lets me help. Okay. This isn't gonna be a very long video. It's like,
Bala, crazy.
it's crazy.
Yes. Very crazy.
Very crazy.
Yes. That's it. And mixed it. Let me do it.
You wanna mix it?
Yes.
I'm gonna try to get some more glue out of these bottles.
No more.
I don't think there's any more glue in that one. This one, I think, has more glue in it.
No.
Because this is the one that Gemma emptied. It feels like there's more glue in there, but I just can't get it out. There is more glue in there. It's just so sticky that it's not coming out. Okay, but don't touch it yet.
Bye-bye, sticky.
It's very sticky. Okay, don't touch it, Gemma. I'm gonna mix it really good. I'm gonna need it.
More.
Well, move the phone. Move the phone. She was watching a video on that phone. The iPhone 5.
I'll touch it.
Don't touch it. It's really sticky. Don't touch it.
Away.
Just a little poke. See, it's sticky.
I feel it.
Don't touch it yet. We use Tide because borax just makes it hard and doesn't work. And I don't use borax, so don't touch it. Gemma, do not touch it.
I didn't feel it.
Move your hand.
About
So
my
this
teeth, guys.
is gonna kind of take a
And
minute
then what?
to knead.
What?
So
About a little.
just gonna move it down. Okay. So we got this.
All the glue and
It's turning into
glue.
slime for sure. It's still kind of sticky. I need to add some more activator.
Yes. Here, Bella.
Hold on.
I'll pull it.
Here, I'm gonna help you pour it. That was a lot, Gemma. That was a lot.
Yes.
I don't think we need that much. It's
Yes.
a little at a time.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Go ask Mama for some lotion.
Away.
Yeah. The slime. It's kind of falling apart. I just need to keep kneading it.
And then more
Some lotion in there.
lotion.
It just makes it soft and smell good and stretchy and nice.
Attach it.
No, don't touch it yet. I need to mix it together because it's kind of falling apart.
Away.
So we're gonna try and fix this. Hold on.
Look.
So I got the slime all back together. It's nice. I think I'm gonna add some lotion to make it a little bit stretchier. If you hear that thumping, it's Willa at the door. She's mad because she wants to come outside, but it's pretty cold out here because it's spring right now, but it was winter. It's like the beginning of spring. Spring was like 3 days ago. We're on spring break right now, and it's a Monday.
Monday. And
Easter's
baseball.
in like about 5 days.
Baseball.
5 or 6 days. I'm really excited.
And
This is a pretty nice slime. Do you want to touch it?
uh-huh.
Touch it. Is that fun?
Yes. Put it right here.
What should we call it? Should we call it? Wait, hold on.
Slime.
Yeah, it's called slime. Yeah. Hold on. Let's do the crunch. I think we should call it unicorn crunch. You want to call it that?
Yes.
Say unicorn crunch.
I could check.
Unicorn crunch.
Yes. That's it. I have it.
We're gonna share it. It's a
Oh.
pretty nice slime. I like it. It's not very sticky. Like, if you like leave it like that, like it doesn't even really stick. Like, it's pretty nice. I like it.
But that's it.
You want to touch it? See, yeah, the lotion does make it stretchier.
Put it right here.
Let me put it right there. Hold on, let me see it.
Ah. Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Bella.
Unicorn crunch it is. Come on, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I want to crunch this. I love this. It's amazing. Don't pour that out. I'm going to be making more slime soon. So, I might be making some more slime another day, but not today because we already made a slime video today.
Yes.
Okay, stop touching it. I'm trying. Oh, Gemma! That's pretty much all we have for you today. Thank you guys for watching this video. You guys are the best. Like, subscribe, and leave comments below. Peace on the streets, son!